you today is the water bottle clamp. Just a little video for this, just to show you to fit it. It's a little thing we've designed. It's clamping brackets to hold the water bottle cage on the front of the boom on the Windcheetah. This will also fit onto other bikes with a 2-inch tube, like the 8 freight and the rat racers, etc. You can mount these on the front of the boom. You can mount them sort of behind the seat, wherever you feel most comfortable. These are a handy place we've found to fit your water bottle, because it's easily reachable, and it's just out of the way, sort of on the middle boom. So what we'll do now, we'll give you a few close-ups showing how to fit that. Easy way of doing it, and just a few tips on actually fitting that. So we'll get a bit of a close-up now and get on with that. Okay, easiest way I found to do this is actually make your bottle holder, your cage, to the actual the new clamp brackets with the little bosses on this half. So basically, just place your nut in the back there, which actually holds it for you, so no need for a spanner. Take your bottle cage, in this case screwdriver, attach it like this. Doesn't have to be ultra tight at this point, it's just sort of using it more of a locator. Do the same with your next bracket. And using your shorter screws are the ones supplied. There's 2 of these and 4 of the others, which are the actual clamp ones. So like that. So you see now you've got the perfect spacing. Take one of your lower brackets. Don't forget you've got your front trailer cable here, so pass it underneath that into place. Again, putting your nut in the space, using one of your longer bolts. Just catch it up by your finger tight, and then use your Allen key. Again, this point no need to store tight, you're just holding it in place. Same on the other side. And the way this has been designed, if you're wondering, the idler sprocket here, the idler wheel, it doesn't actually get in the way. When it's in the small cog at the front, it will just come up to it and just get close and maybe just touch it, but it's no effect whatsoever on the actual running of your Windcheetah, so don't worry about that. Now when you tighten these up, you can see, but they don't actually close up. I'll get a bit of a close-up in a minute, show you a picture of that. They don't actually close up. You leave a little bit of a gap, so it works on the plastic spring that holds it on and clamps it in place and keeps it tight. So I'll just show you a picture of that now. Alright, so you just carry on. Again, these just need to be sort of nipped up. Same underneath your cable. Nut underneath into a little recess, and you bolt in. Your last one. It's in line, centre of the tube. Final thing, just slightly knit these up again, they don't have to be ultra tight, that's it, that's all it needs. And then fit your water bottle. Okay, I hope you found that useful. These brackets, I said these clamps we designed, they can be used for all sorts of things like mobile phones, sat navs, if you have the appropriate bracketry to clamp on there. It's a little M5 nut that's captive, so you screw different things on. They're a strong bracket, just designed to hold the water bottle. We've used them for a while now, had no trouble with them. Just a nice handy place to put your water bottle out away. If you'd like to purchase them, you can find them on eBay. If you just search in the Windcheetah water bottle cage clamp, they'll come up. Any questions, please put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, YouTubers, it'll be right.